I just bought my dream car garage, and in this video I'm going to be doing something that I have never done before. We're going to be getting on the tools and getting the DIY renovation underway. Day one renovation of the unit. The boys have already been getting active, and instead of actually buying wood to fix stuff, they bought a skid sim. Idiots. Mate, I'm gonna have to pull the plug out the wall. But we today are literally starting on the first episode of the renovation of the unit. We've got a lot to do. Plan is, if you watch the last video, start from the top, work our way down into this room. This room in here is mainly just an area to work on cars. So realistically, it's not be all and end all with how neat it looks. We've got a bunch of paint, so we can paint the walls to make it look like that. But maybe the roof and all things in this room aren't a massive deal. But upstairs, in this mezzanine area, this is where we want to have a really nice area, which is going to need a lot of work. Which is this small little area and space up here. It's really not the biggest space. I mean, I'm like 5'7", and I'm nearly touching, my head's nearly touching the roof, and these boys are all 6 foot, so they're going to have an issue. But this is going to be like office area. We're going to have a sofa. That simulator's coming up here as well. We're going to have a big desk along here. As you can see, we got a lot of work. Without any messing around, the first port of call is we've got to reinforce the bottom of this. At the minute, it's just like really thin plywood, and when you step on it, the whole thing flexes, as we found out in the last video. So we're going to put some like little studs in all the way, similar to that, and we're going to offset them all over. Get the floor safe before anything, so let's do it. Off we go then with reinforcing the floor above. None of us have any experience with doing anything like this before, so this is all learning as we go, and just general DIY experience really is what we're going off here. It is very important this floor gets sorted, because like I said before, it is sketchy as anything. After we got that floor reinforced, me and Tom moved upstairs and started ripping out all the insulation so we can have access to remove these weird metal beams that were hanging out on the right hand side, as you can kind of see there. Then we can move on to start getting the new ceiling installed upstairs. After taking out all the insulation in the ceiling, we realised there was so much more prep work that really needed to be done, such as all this expanding foam that someone went absolutely ham with, all needs to come off, and it was a nightmare. You can even see Tom here, literally ripping it off with his bare hands. What an animal. So once we ripped everything out and removed what needed to be removed, we can now start putting all the insulation back in, because we do want to keep it. And some bits of insulation seem to be harder to get back in than they were to come out, as you can kind of see. If you have managed to watch the video this far and you are enjoying what you're seeing recently, then please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the like button. Help out, and let's get on with it. We're now ready to put the ceiling up. Mate, that is literally perfect fit. Oh my god. Mate, that's made for it. How is that? What? So we did buy some of this OSB kind of chipboard wood we're using for the ceiling. Now this stuff was not cheap. It's 20 quid a go, and we got 7 sheets. So you guys can do the maths yourself. We all decided to take turns on who was going to hold the wood up and who was going to use the drill. But some of us may have been a little bit better with holding the wood up than actually using the drill, to say the least. Sorry, Tom. Oh mate, give it. Rightio, so the ceiling is up. We've cleaned everything. Ceiling's up. It's literally transformed the place up here. It's absolutely mental. Yeah, the next step is paint. So we're going to get the girls up here. We're all going to get a paintbrush in hand. We're going to crack on. I think what we're going to go for, grey walls, black roof, because why not? We've got loads of different types of coloured grey that we've got to choose from. So we're all going to make a decision on what colour we want to do, and then we're going to start painting the walls, so let's get it. If you haven't already, be sure to also follow my Instagram as well, harry.roberts.1. I have it on the screen here. On there, you'll find all the behind the scenes stuff and everything else I'm up to on my Instagram story, so be sure to follow. So I've just had to nip out for an hour or so, and Tom and Barney have been cracking on. All the walls have pretty much had 2 coats on them, and now we're going black with the ceiling, and I think we're actually going to go black with this wall, while they stop painting it. Coming along. It is coming along. After the paint's on, and it's like drying up, we're going to start getting everything up here. Like I said, the boys have got that racing sim. We'll get the sofa up here and everything else, and then I imagine we'll probably start painting downstairs, so let's get another time lapse going. You right, Tom, mate? Mate, that is stupid. That's not where it is. Walk the plank, boy. I can't hold any, I'm not holding anything, mate. Mate, it's doing anything. Yeah. Oh, we've got it up!
Don't put it near anymore.
There we go. Alright, let's enjoy our day's work. And as we all know, every good workman keeps his workspace clean. So one final sweep out before we get the rest of the stuff up here. We've just finished up the last bit of the painting, and what a day of graft that was. Honestly, it just took so long to do anything. It's the first time me and all my mates have ever done anything like this before as well, so it was absolutely mental. This place is currently a tip, so we've got to clean up, but I want to show you guys the finished product. Knowing what this place looked like at the start of the day to how it does now just really goes to show if you put hard work in, you can really achieve whatever you want. Hide you in my treasure chest. I don't know what to do. Yeah, now it's time for clean-up duty, which is going to be quite a while. But if you did enjoy this video, then please smack that subscribe button, smack that like button. Follow along for the series, because there'll be plenty more episodes of what we're getting up to in this unit. So follow along. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.